Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x20 enclosed utility hybrid. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains. There is 36-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of your V-nose. We have a black screwed exterior. This trailer does come with 3-foot mesh siding on the utility portion, as well as two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. We have stone guard teardrop fenders, as well as a bifold rear loading ramp. This trailer does have pressure treated wood flooring, as well as 6 D-rings. There is a rear entry door on your utility portion. This trailer does have LED brake lights. On the side of our trailer, there is a green touch string trimmer holder, as well as a holder for the string itself. There are 2 fuel tank cages mounted on the top of your utility portion, a 2.5 gallon and 5 gallon. All of these holders do come with locks. This trailer does have a 48-inch driver's side loading ramp. There is ATP flooring. On the far wall of your enclosed portion, there is another string trimmer rack. On the back wall, there are 2 green touch backpack blower holders on each side of your door. There is a chainsaw holder on the driver's side rear portion, and a cooler holder on your passenger side rear portion. This trailer also does have a roof vent, as well as a 12-volt dome light. Your loading ramp does come with spring assist. This trailer does have 3/8 plywood flooring, 3/4 plywood walls, once again, this is a 7x20 enclosed utility trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.